Hi guys, my name is Din Ginto from DinOnlinePitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Bundled Up for Christmas. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and walkthrough of how the Bundled Up for Christmas works. Now as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on December 21st at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll be able to get access to the Bundled Up for Christmas when this goes live. Now I'm here inside of the members area of the Bundled Up for Christmas. Now to put this briefly, Bundled Up for Christmas is the ultimate Christmas bargain bundle. Now the training on pretty much every aspect of internet and affiliate marketing that you could think of for one time crazy low price for this product, as you can see here. And also the big bundle of previous upsells are included inside of this program that's gonna make it even a better deal. Now you're gonna get about 45 of the previous products front end plus 11 upsells plus great products from Kevin Fahey, Eric Hammer, Jason Oikol, John Altres, Johnny Rose, Will Weatherly, Jaina Babak, Akhtar Alam, John Newman, and Ronnie Rocksmith. So those are gonna be all the bundles that you're gonna get access inside of the Bundled Up for Christmas, which is pretty cool. You're gonna get all this for a one-time low price. And so I want to talk about the benefits of this product. Now you're gonna be getting an awesome deal of this product for a very low price, only $12.95 for all the 45 products of Dawud Islam and all the affiliate market, the online marketers that I have mentioned previously. And also you're gonna get this for the Christmas special, you're gonna be getting this deal for everything for $12.95 with all this stuff here, so which I will be showing you a quick walkthrough, so you're gonna see what kind of products that you'll be able to get access inside of the 2021 Bundle Up for Christmas product. You're gonna get everything that you need to know about this program, about affiliate marketing. You're gonna learn about traffic, how to create a product launch, etc. Everything that you can think of, everything that you want to learn about the online marketing and the money making online niche, everything is going to be included inside of the Christmas bundle. This is one of the best deal, one of the best awesome products that you're going to be finding, you're going to be learning, so that in the year 2022 you'll be able to start applying, start taking action from this amazing product inside of this program. Now right over here is, once you get access to the Bundle Up for Christmas, this is what it's gonna look like. And this is Dawud Islam. He's gonna give you a welcome video right over here. This is where you can get access to the YouTube channel and the group Facebook right over here. And then here is the overview of the Bundle Up for Christmas. So it's going to be a video overview of what this is all about. So pretty much I've already gave you a quick description of this Bundle Up for Christmas. It's pretty much all the 45 items inside of this program here. So this is Dawud Islam's 2021 products. As you can see, here is the introduction really quick. Just wanted to give you a walkthrough what it looks like. Here is a video here. This is the affiliate marketing magic here. This is where you can click here, you can get access to the product. Here is to back to basics. So now you can go click on this to get access to this one of the products. Campaign converter right here, crazy coupon cash right over here. And then Destiny 2021, I have promoted this item before and it was part of the one-time price, and now it's included inside of this program here. Here is the essential emails right here, fast income fixes, fast list now right here. And then I'm just gonna sum it up really quick because the list is gonna get longer, and so I'm gonna pretty much show you all this stuff here that you're gonna be getting for a crazy deal. All right, so here's the high ticket hotshot launcher, mail our list, Mayday Payday, Membership Madness, Meteor Madness, Monthly Income System, place your link, promote your offer, Tags Mania, the gold standard, total traffic, traffic time, triple traffic, and then the Christmas traffic right here. So there's more. Okay, so I'm not even done yet. So as you can see, this is all the stuff and all the products that you can pretty much take advantage of for a one-time low price. So for the Christmas holidays, you're gonna be getting all these products here. As you can see, all this stuff here. So you're gonna get busy for the year 2022. You're gonna be learning all about online marketing. You're gonna start learning from the steps. Like, instead of purchasing $1,000 product that you're gonna see for a one-time price, why not take advantage of the $12.95 price? All this amazing programs that you're gonna be learning from. Just because it's the Christmas holidays, Dawud Islam is going to be offering you this amazing deal for $12.95. So that's very generous of him to be offering you all his products for a one-time low price. So here are the upsells here that you're gonna be you're gonna get access. So this is where you can get access here, all the pro versions. So here are the top marketers products as well. So as you can see here, this is all you can pretty much check out, all the stuff from the top marketers right over here. This is additional products that you can get access to. More resources. So this is where you can access to the free squeeze pages, recommended resources. These are all his top recommended resource, but I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. I'm gonna show you what's inside of the recommendations. I think my computer just froze. Okay, so right over here, he's gonna be showing you, get your $3 trial here for the Brown Bear bargains. This is one of the top recommended sources from Dawud Islam. All right, so that's, again, that's nothing compared to all the stuff that he pretty much offered onto this program here. So here's the conclusion: bonuses, vendors, and don't forget, I will be offering you additional bonuses as well. So pretty much you're gonna get a lot of these amazing programs for a one-time low price of $12.95. So which is pretty good deal for all the trainings, all the video tutorials they're going to be learning about online marketing. And Dawud Islam is one of the he's a good product creator of all this stuff that you're going to be learning from him. So take advantage of this. This is a lot of products that he's offering you for one-time low price. And so these are all the upgrades as well. Also take a look at it if you're interested in upgrading your bundle up for Christmas upgrades over here, which I will be explaining later on. And these are all the unadvertised bonus as well from Mike from the main bonus and James Kennedy bonus as well. So in my opinion, this is one of the best product that I have come across personally, because Dawud Islam is offering you all his products for just a really tiny price. So instead of spending $1,000, why not spend a low time price? Learn all this programs over here, you know, take it one at a time, and then you're pretty much good to go. You're gonna be learning a lot from his methods over here inside of these programs. All of this stuff here that you're gonna be learning. So that's pretty good so far, you know, just for the holidays. So I would suggest buying this right away before it's too late. My recommendation is he's got a lot of good products and insights. In my opinion, for $12.95, it could help you potentially start with your own online business. So once you get serious, I would get this right away before the price will go up, and then, you know, you're gonna get all this all these trainings, all this video tutorials, techniques, and hacks that you're going to be learning. And hopefully once you learn all of this, you're going to start applying what you learned inside of the Bundled Up for Christmas. Now, I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now, if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Christmas bundle, this is going to go live on December 21st. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these red buttons here that's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. Right down here is all you can press in this button. This is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when the countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Okay, I'm trying to close that, but it's gonna take time. All right, so now with the bonuses here, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page. Just scroll down and click on any of these red buttons here. That's gonna go through to the sales page. That's where you can pretty much go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about this, please follow me on my Facebook page. Send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses that I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video is going to be one-time price of $12.95. Also, you can upgrade your front-end purchase to those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now, please consider checking out all the upgrades if you want to increase your chances for earning more money. Now, right over here, you're going to find all the information of the upgrades right down below this video. Click on that link, scroll down, and you're going to find and take advantage of the Bundled Up for Christmas offers here. So this is the front end that I was talking about earlier, where you can get access to all the 55 of the products from Dawud Islam. Upsell number 1 is the Bundled Up for Christmas Pro version. For this price, you can get all the Pro versions released during 2021, includes placing another 20 links on 4 times traffic rotators. Now, upsell number 2 is the done for you weekly campaigns. You can get sent 3 times done for you campaigns each and every week. Includes done for you bonus page with review video, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered to you. Now you're gonna get a commission gorilla. It's really not expensive commission gorilla, but also feel free to take a look at the upsell number 2. Upsell number 3 is your reseller rights. For $47, get reseller rights to bundle up for Christmas and enjoy commissions across the sales funnel. Upsell number 4 is the executive club. Now, put yourself ahead of the affiliate marketing game. Get notified at least a week before the launch of all new releases by Dawud. You'll get a review copy of the product and guaranteed approval. You will even get commissions in front end. Get ahead of the game and plan your campaigns early for maximum effect. And last but not the least is the upsell number 5, total traffic fix. Now you're gonna get a massive boost of extra traffic, 10 times free super solo ads to over 30,000 members across Dawud Islam's 25 sites in the make money online niche. Free VIP upgrades worth over $1,500 at all 25 sites. You can get free permanent banner ads at all 25 sites. So these are all the upgrades. You can feel free to check out down below in the description of my video. Go ahead and feel free. Always take the time to learn more about it so you can increase your chances for earning more money. So that brings me to the end of this video. Now I want to thank you so much for watching my Bundled Up for Christmas review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video and make sure that you click the link below to purchase the Bundled Up for Christmas at a discounted price. And also, don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now, I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now, make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on to the next video, and have a happy holidays.